guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Pelele Shezi. So if you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for support. Thank you so much literally for everything. But you guys don't like my video, guys. Like just like my video. Simple. Liking, I don't need mali, I don't need next, literally nothing. Just like the video. Thank you. So I'm starting a new vlog, and I think I'll be participating in Vlogtober for the first time in 3 years. Go YouTube. Yeah, I'm like 3 years on YouTube. That's a lot, or even 4. I'm not sure, but I think 3 or 4. I'll check. So I think I'll be participating in Vlogtober for the first time, and this is going to be my first episode. So I have already started my day, literally, because I think mine's 11 past 11 to 12, I'm not sure, but I thought that I should just start, because if not, if today is Thursday, then I'm gonna keep on procrastinating, and that's not good, not for my channel, right? So I don't know, guys, if I did fill you in terms of me and what I'm currently doing. So what I'm currently doing, I don't think I did. I didn't. So what I'm currently doing is I'm trying to limit the amount of food I eat a day. How so? I eat once a day now. One full meal, not full, but I mean a decent meal, like a filling meal. So yeah, for me, when I start dieting, I'm now used to the because what I don't want to do, I'm for diet, and then I won't last inyanga. Why? Because I'm not used to eating in small amounts or just eating once a day. Because one thing about dieting, you snacking. For me, I don't know for anyone else, but for me, I think when you're dieting, you are snacking because so I'm not eating a lot. That's why I was trying to clarify the part that I'm not eating a full meal. It's just a decent meal. I can have eggs, tomato, evo, cheese, and then toast my bread, and then drink water. So I'll be full for the whole day. And then during the day, it can happen that maybe but not always. And then I grab a fruit, or a snack. I have pretzels that I eat. I think it's a good snack for me. I'm gonna show you guys. I think Vlogtober. Hopefully I will. So yeah, but today my mom asked for pancakes, so I did pancakes for breakfast, and I ate them with inyama. I ate them with inyama. That's why I am not dieting, because if I wasn't gonna eat pancakes. I think I was gonna have brown bread, something healthy. But I am trying to lose weight. Let me just say that I am trying to lose weight, but and I'm going to see how it goes. So I just wanted to fill you in terms of that. Yeah. And then I'm a dustbin. I think I'll go fetch a dustbin and then clean the house, and then later in the day I'll cook, and then we're gonna do that together. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
You're right. been like this before. Chocolate coating, waiting for you to adore. Why do you bother? I roll my eyes, but something says I'll play right along. Stick is sweet, like making love on the dance floor. Baby, baby, I've never been like this before. Chocolate coating, waiting for you to adore. Long enough, my hand out to lead me to the place where no one can erase that we were there. Let me and my love set me loose and I'll go over and above. I can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want, why and how. He got one my mind always remind me of how to be my little Yeah, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, hey. Yeah, yeah. Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't.
Guys, I'm about to sleep now. It's later. It's late now, and iphone yami iyagcwala. So I think I'll just edit. By the way, we're saying that look editor vlog lene, and then I did see that the footage it's not like enough the way I'd want it to be, but I'll just put it and see what's ihamba kanjani. Then if it goes well, then I think I'll continue with the length. Yeah, then if not, then I'll try tomorrow and see. But I'll edit and upload today, but the vlog will be up tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know if it's recording or what, because it's space siyangibulala and sekusebusuku manje and my room doesn't have that much light, so ngisebenzise light leli just for you to see me, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed as I did. I really did enjoy filming this for you. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.